This spectacular ranch-style home, the Cheyenne by Quantum Homes Incorporated, is a custom build and comp only. The great room boasts a vaulted ceiling and encompasses the living room with a gas fireplace, dining room, and a large kitchen. The kitchen features attractive custom cabinetry, appliances, a large island with seating, and a walk-in pantry. This split-bedroom floor plan includes a spacious drop zone at the garage entry, a private laundry room with a utility sink, and a convenient half-bath near the drop zone. The spacious master bedroom offers a walk-in closet, and the stunning master bathroom features a double bowl vanity, soaking tub, separate shower, and a water closet. Enjoy outdoor living on the covered back patio with a stone fireplace or the generous covered front porch. Photos and virtual tours are samples only.